Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna go over some back to school essentials that you can definitely use to make your morning extra rápido. Back to school is way more than just pens, notebooks, highlighters. Where's the beauty essentials though? Want to look good, you know, something natural, something good, you know, you don't look so sleepy, you had a long night, you know, gotta cover some bags up or whatever, but we got this. I got you, ma. Got you covered. You are going to need your bag, your lip gloss. My lip gloss is cool. Your lip gloss is popping.
What you know about me? What you know?
Mascara, your highlighter, your blush, eyebrow, because you are going to need it on fleek, makeup setting spray, because you're going to want it to stay. It's hard, H-A-R-D, okay? Waking up in the morning and being able to fit a full face of makeup. So you just want to go and be yourself. Be simple. I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We're going to start with the Revlon Color Stay. I got it in the color brown. You got the brush and you have your brow pencil. Now I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows quick. I want to come out my house looking like, hello, good morning. How's everyone? Really though, waking up in the morning every day to do a full face ain't gonna work. It's really not. I wish it did. I really love sleep more than anything. Like I could literally sleep till like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. All jokes aside, like if you let me, I really would. I'm gonna go ahead and add some primer. L'Oreal Magic Lumi. It's so funny when you have a shaved side. How you really have to mix everything in. Now that I've put primer, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Maybelline concealer, and I'm just gonna take it right up top and just make a line. Take a little brush and just bring it down to how I want my eyebrow to look. Okay, awesome. So now that I've concealed my eyebrows, I'm gonna go ahead and take the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Smooth foundation in normal to dry. Just apply it everywhere. To be honest with you guys, I'm not really a brush person. Like, I don't even know why I even bothered with a brush. I really be trying to love brush foundations for myself, but everyone has their own techniques on how they like doing things and what's best for them. For me, ain't brushes. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my sponge because it's just works so much better for me. I can't see myself using anything else. The Fit Me foundation, it's really nice. I can't complain. I don't love it though, but we're gonna work with it. When you go and you buy makeup, there are gonna be products that you try and you're just gonna be like, no, this doesn't work for me. Yes, this works for me. Sometimes you have to work with what you got, and honestly, you'll make it work. Face is done. I'm gonna go ahead and take the Maybelline concealer in Sand Sable, and I'm just gonna add a little bit. You know, trying to cover all the stress from last night. Taking it down the nose, a little bit up here. Now that I'm done concealing my face, I'm going to take the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in Fair Light. I'm just gonna take a flat brush, dip it in, and just apply a bit right where I concealed. Powder is like my best friend. I just be like, dry now. Set yourself. If there's not one thing about me that you don't know, I sweat from my top lip. I be having to be like, pat it. I can't be looking crazy out here. Set the top of my face. I am going to take the Maybelline shadow right here. I have used it because it is amazing. So I'm gonna go with that brown. Contour. I got the NYX palette. I'm not going to take a really dark color for the contour because I definitely want it to still look a little natural, nothing too dark. So I'm taking these two colors here. Remember, it's your intensity of how much and how dark of a contour you want to use. I've applied my blush. What I'm gonna use is this Maybelline Color Tattoo 24 Hour. It's a shadow and it's in gold. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to use that as a highlighter. It does seem like it might be a pretty color, so of course I'm going to start with my nose. Brillito, I'm fine. I like to honestly lift it right up here too. Hey boo. So for the gloss, I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Infallible 8 Hour Pro Gloss. So let's see what this feels like. It's subtle, not as sticky, so I love it. Definitely works for me. So what do you guys think of this subtle makeup look?
Did what you did to me. Oh, love was so good, it feels